beautiful. I just wish I had a house here to live in.
Hey guys, hello, namaskar and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are riding to Goa. So today we are going to La Grace Resort, which is located in Balalam. It takes about 3 hours 46 minutes as per Google Maps, and it's about 167 kilometers. Before I planned this trip to Goa, I was a little dicey because 2 years back I heard that they were renovating the roads. I didn't know which one and which one was ready, which one was not. 2 years back when I went to Goa, the roads were really bad, and that time I went in a car. But a lot of people, even taxi drivers that I asked, told me that the roads right now are better. They are actually really good and they have done it up. I am going to go from Dharwad to Goa, so I will be going through Ramnagar. Last time the road till Ramnagar was okay, nothing great, but they had shut down the roads from Ramnagar, so we had to go from Amboli Ghat and from that side. But I am not going to go to North Goa, so Balalam is located on the south side of Goa. So once I take this left, I should be headed to Ramnagar. Strangely, I should have ideally come from inside Dharwad. So where I took the left, if you actually take the right and go under the bridge and you go on the other side of the bridge, you enter Dharwad. So it would have cut short my time, say about half an hour. But yeah, lessons learned. Next time I just come through Dharwad and through that underbridge and straight towards Ramnagar. Okay, so my phone battery is low because I had switched on the Google Maps. It's quite hot as well. So let me just connect the charger. Luckily the KTM 390 Adventure comes with a charging socket, and I carry my car charger whenever I come on a long ride. So yep, let's ride now. This route is the fastest, the nearest, and once I see that the roads are done, then it's going to be even more faster. There are very few stops that I'll be making. I am not very keen on stopping a lot, maybe just for a water break. Here we are, we have crossed Ramnagar. The roads look amazing. They have cemented the roads. I mean, it does give you that weird sound from the tires because of the cement roads. But yes, they are a lot grippy now. But amazing. Look, you can see the cuts on the side of the road as well, which shows that they have broadened the road from before. And I know this road before, it was tar road. Now they have laid down cement roads. That is really good. Let's see how it is further in the front. Yeah, so we are halfway through now. The twisties have started. Lovely roads. The tarmac here is amazing. It looks like it was freshly laid, and to take these twisties with the 390 Adventure is like heaven. So I did take a small break, drank some water, and I just wanted to soak up the beauty of these mountains, which is amazing. If you guys ever come here, just stop by. You have these elongated curves, so just stop by and enjoy the beauty of the mountains. You can probably click some photos as well. So we are closing in, about to reach Madgaon in a bit. So it's gonna take us another, I think, an hour and a half or so from here. We have to go to Balolim, which we are going to go through Madgaon. I've come to Madgaon before, and it's a beautiful place, lovely weather. It is sunny though, but as long as you're riding, it is really chill. Wow, look at the roads here. The best part about these roads, there are no speed breakers. But yes, there are speed limits, but no speed breakers, so less frequency of changing gears. Another beauty. Look at this place. Left side there's a lake, right side there's homes. I just wish I had a house here. Could spend the whole day looking at this lake. So I'm not going to waste too much of the time, but once I reach the resort, I shall show you that. Yeah, so as of now we have come to Balolim. Beautiful place. You can see the road with the coconut trees welcoming us with open arms. And from here it's going to be another 20 minutes. So here we are. The resort La Grace is here on the left side of me. We are going to reach, yeah, here it is. So we are going to park here as of now. We'll find some shade later on. Let me just check in, unpack, freshen up and come back down. And you guys have a good time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do share the videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Cheers guys, bye.